been too long, man. It has been too long. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dane County Regional Airport. It's a cold day. I think it's like 37 out here. What is it, like March 14th, 2020 it is today. And we are back here at Dane County Regional Airport doing some plane spotting here for YouTube. There is a plane taxiing over to runway 36. We are on the side of runway 30. Oh my gosh. We're on the side of runway 18 right now, so we're going to see them coming this way. So that's going to be fun. There's no arrivals coming in. I couldn't care less, to be honest, but yeah, the next arrival is at 6 o'clock right now. It's 5, so whatever. The plane's coming this way though. Better footage. Yeah, it's cold out here. Yeah, there's a new United Liberty as well over there. First time seeing one. Always excited for those because they look sick. They're clean. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys on the departure. And ladies and gentlemen, you can see it way back there. Yeah, that's the plane I was talking about. They're going to be departing literally right there. It's going to be more like, cool cloud, by the way. But yeah, I think it's going on the runway. I can't really tell. I'll be back. Also forgot to mention, you can't really see the new United Liberty, but it's chilling over there. A plane's pushing back as well. You might be able to see the movement, but that plane is just sitting there, so yeah. So I'm just minding my business. And literally I'm just, looking out here. And I look down there as a sheriff. I hope they aren't coming for me. I really hope. Because we're kind of in an area where, like, it's kind of suspicious, Here's one connecting road. There's some houses along this. So, yeah, they aren't coming for me. They kept going. So, good news. We're good. If you can hear it, ignore my breathing. I kind of ran over here. But yeah, that plane's taking off right now. There's also a plane taxiing right there. You can see it. Or it's just aligned. I don't know. I feel like it's taking off though. Yeah, it's taking off. I can see the movement. So yeah, here it comes. It comes out this way. So let's go. Come on, plane. This one's going to Detroit. It's a Delta. I think it's an MD-80 or Boeing 717. I'm pretty sure it's an MD-80. Here it goes. This is my current view. It's literally gonna go right above me. So the bright one I'm not paying attention because I'm trying to warm my hands up because it's very cold out here. And there's a plane taking off. Oh, I honestly have no idea where this is going. This is a United plane though. I think there's a beacon light going on over there. I can't tell. Yeah, but this plane's taking off. It is moving, in fact. Very anticlimactic for me to be like, ooh, it's moving. Yeah, there it goes though. Yeah, there's the rotation. Maybe it'll turn towards me. I don't know. That's always the coolest one. When it turns towards me. There it goes though. There's a fuel truck. There it goes. And if you take a look over there, the new United Liberty plane is pushed back. That's the one plane I wanted to see take off today, so I'm happy. You can kind of see it right there. So the new United plane is taxiing on the runway. You can see it turning. There's a Delta plane that's leaving and an American one as well. So we're going to see, by the looks of it right now, 3 more departures after this one. Well, including this one, actually. Yeah, this is, by the way, evening rush hour in Madison. It is taking off right now. You could kind of hear it in the distance, and my phone's low on battery. At 10%, which is not good. Yeah, there it goes. The new United Liberty. By the way, this is one of my bucket list items to see a new United Liberty. Preferably the Boeing 737 A320, but this is gonna do. It's turning towards me too. So it's gonna go right above me. Oh God, I'm about to fall down. Of course, I didn't see the tail, because I can't see it. There it goes. Bye, new United Liberty. You can still hear the other United plane. It's above the clouds right now, but yeah, this one's taking off as well. I think it's an MD-80 for Delta. There's the V1. Had to move in a little bit because there was a car. It's turning towards me. Yeah, it's a Delta. And the last departure of the video. My hands are literally frozen. They are going to turn to an ice cube in about 5 minutes. So this will for sure be the last departure of the video. Yeah, you can see it moving right there. This one's taking a longer time to view, and there it is. You can see the rotation these planes get. It's pretty incredible. There goes the American.